What's up everyone, I'm Jackie YBT, Tech Away Tech Everything, and today I'm gonna do a double tech unboxing. I'm gonna unbox my first electric toothbrush, which is the Realme N1, and also unbox the electric toothbrush head for the N1. I think you guys noticed that why this is white and this is blue. Yeah, you can buy this with another color option, which is white or blue, and I purposely ordered this in white just to mix and match the color combination, different color combination. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's unbox the Realme N1 Sonic electric toothbrush first. It comes with this bright, vibrant yellow packaging, yellow box. I really like it. This is their signature color. Look at the back. Well, before that, I should take it off first. Very simple, just tear off the tape on top the box and then you just slide it out. Realme at the side, same thing goes to another side. Bottom, nothing. So at the back, there are 6 small icons here. I hope that you guys can see it. The first thing is talking about the high frequency sonic motor. You can brush 20,000 times per minute with this electric toothbrush. Second one is talking about the antibacterial bristless to 99.99%. And third, talking about the battery life, 130 days. Wow, that's impressive. And fourth one, 3 cleaning modes, and 5th, safe food grade brush head, and also last but not least, IPX7 water resistant. And if you look down, you can see the specification of this electric toothbrush. I will pause it if you guys want to read it. Okay, so I'm gonna unbox it from the bottom. Okay, there's a tape at the bottom. I just have to cut through and I can unbox it.
Very simple.
Whoa, look at that. And what else? Okay, first thing first, the user guide teach you how to use the toothbrush, basic operation, cleaning, and etc. Comes with different languages, BM, English, Tamil, Thai, and etc. Put it aside. So it uses a USB Type-C cable. I like it. Nobody should use micro USB anymore. Everyone should use USB-C, reversible. Good. Second thing, the toothbrush. There's a pull-up tape where you can take it out, just push it out. Pretty light, pretty lightweight. And this is the brush head, toothbrush head. So it's made out of plastic, it's not aluminium. So how to install the toothbrush head? Very easy. Hold it like this and then you turn it in front of you. Take the toothbrush head, put it in this direction, and then you turn and then pull it down, and that's it. Voila, very simple. Oh, it's still got juice left. Whoa. So got 3 different cleaning mode. This is the normal mode, and this one is more powerful one, and this one is like vibration. There's different vibration. You can see that, and turn off. The first one, second, and the third one. Yeah. One thing I forgot to mention, the charging port is at the bottom of the toothbrush, USB-C. Yeah, that's it. Next, I'm gonna unbox this. Very simple, just cut it through. I'm not gonna say too much about the detail. I'll make a review video soon in the future after I use it. Very nice packaging. 1, 2, 3. So you've got 3 for 19 ringgit. So that's about it, guys. That's the whole unboxing experience of this Realme N1 electric brush. I'll make a review video soon after I'm using for a few weeks, and I will give you my honest thoughts and opinions about this product. So stay tuned. Remember to click the thumbs up, subscribe, don't miss out. Click the bell icon, share it to your friends and family, comment down in the comment section below. You donate to my PayPal account if you want to support this channel, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.